Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on OPPO Reno10. To do this, we'll need to open our system settings, then in the top we have mobile network. Now select data usage. There's data usage limit. Now you can activate it for the daily data usage limit. That means it will limit data for 1 day. In basically all of the month, but for the 1 day you'll be able to use a certain amount of data. There's also option to set the monthly data usage limit, and you can also change the start calculating data usage from a different day of the month. In this case we're going to go for the first one. Now let's enable the daily data usage. Here you can enter the number of data that can be used during the day. And there's an option to switch between megabytes and gigabytes. Keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. And I'm going to go for 5 gigabytes now. Then we can change the behavior for what happens when you reach the daily data limit. We can receive alert only, or it can send the alert and disable the mobile data at the same time. Let's choose this one. Now moving on to monthly data usage. Here you can do basically the same thing, so enter the number for your usage, and I'm gonna go for 100 gigabytes. Then we can also send the alert only or receive alert and turn off mobile data automatically. Last option here, which is unique to daily limit, we can change the data warning, and if we reach, for example, 2 gigabytes now, it will receive the data warning, and you can change it to whichever number you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.